In this lesson, we have to learn algebraic expressions and polynomials. The definition of algebraic expression is algebraic expression is a collection or combination of constant and variables of one or more terms which are separated by the fundamental operations plus, minus, into and divided by the four fundamental operations involved in this algebraic expressions. And we learn example 7b plus 5m, 5x plus 3y minus 19, x plus y plus z. Each part of an algebraic expressions which are separated by plus or minus sign is called the term of algebraic expressions. The plus or minus separated each terms. The division sign or multiplication sign does not separate the terms in algebraic expressions. Only plus or minus can be separated. These are called terms. Two types of algebraic expressions. One is simple algebraic expressions which are consist only one term. Compound algebraic expressions which are consist of two or more terms. For example, now constant terms. A term of an algebraic expression which has a fixed numerical value in all situations and does not have any variables is called constant term of an algebraic equation. Here 5x plus 7y plus xzy plus 10. 10 is only constant term. 10 is numerical value. Types of an algebraic expressions according to terms. 1. Monomial expression. 2. Binomial expressions. 3. Trinomial expressions. 4. Polynomial expressions. In this classification, we consider number of terms. Now monomial algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression which consists of one non-zero term only is called monomial algebraic expression. In this monomial, only one term is there. Example A 10ab minus 7pq, like this. These are monomial algebraic expressions. Binomial, an algebraic expressions which consist of two non-zero terms only is called binomial expressions. For example, m plus n. These are two variables m and n. A square plus 2ab. And examples of binomial expressions. Let us see trinomial expressions. An algebraic expressions of three terms only is called trinomial expressions. For example, x plus y plus z, 2a plus. These are all consist three terms. Let us our chapter polynomial. Definition: an algebraic expression in which the variables involved have only non-negative integral powers is called a polynomial. Power must be non-negative. That means always the power should be positive or 0. The examples for polynomial 2a plus 5b, polynomial in two variables a and b, 3xy plus 5x. Degree of polynomial. The degree of polynomial is the greatest power of the term. For example, 2x square plus 5x to the power of 4 plus 6x to the power of 7. Highest power is 7 degrees 7. Types of polynomial. Types of polynomial according to their degree. 1. Constant polynomial. 2. Linear polynomial. 3. Quadratic polynomial. 4. Cubic polynomial. 5. Biquadratic polynomial. We should be learn about all this in the chapter. Now, constant polynomial. Let us see constant polynomial. Definition of constant polynomial. A polynomial of degree 0 is called a constant polynomial. Constant polynomial means only numbers, numerical values only. There is no variables. Any term does not have any variables. The constant polynomial 0. 0 polynomial degree does not define. Next chapter